Congratulations to Community Cooperative Care, our 2024 London Laurel County Chamber of Commerce Nonprofit of the Year. Community Cooperative Care, also known as CCC, began in the early 1980s by Sister Grace Hackett and Dottie Levine of St. William Catholic Church as a clothing closet to help the needy. They asked the parishioners for clothing donations, and word began to spread. They were suddenly overwhelmed with donations. After also seeing a great need for food assistance, they came up with a plan to open a thrift store to sell some of the donated clothing to buy food to give to those in need. That is still the premise of CCC today, but the mission has grown to include many more services to help those with low income in our community. In 1985, the City of London and the London Ministerial Association worked together to secure a new home for CCC on South Dixie Street. Since conception, CCC has only had 3 executive directors. Dottie Levine served for 20 years, Brenda Morgan for 3 years, and current executive director Linda Lips has been at the helm for the past 15 years. CCC has a 13-member, robust board of directors that ensures the financial integrity and solvency of the organization. The current board members include Chairperson Sherry Osborne and Secretary Scott Webster, as well as Judy Rittenhouse, Sister Marjorie Manning, Judge David Westerfield, Doug Bowling, Roger Ween, Joel Holcomb, Sean Sizemore, Holly Little, Kelly Burton, Ron Rotundi, and Marty Huff. CCC is supported by 10 local churches that include giving as a part of their monthly budget. CCC also utilizes fundraising events, grant opportunities, corporate and private donations, as well as sales from their thrift store to fund their mission. CCC's purpose is to help low-income Laurel County residents with basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. Their slogan is, "Helping our own, right here at home." CCC currently serves an average of 375 families each month with food boxes. The Elderly Food Program also serves an additional 384 each month. In 2023, CCC gave 3 outfits of clothing to 975 individuals, and 670 pairs of shoes were also given to those in need. CCC also assists families with free furniture, diapers, hygiene products, school supplies, blankets, winter coats, household items, bus tickets, motel rooms, home repair, and utility assistance. CCC is thankful for the support of the community and proud to serve Laurel County and its residents. With all the positive things that CCC does for our community, it's easy to see why they have been selected as the 2024 London Laurel County Chamber of Commerce Nonprofit of the Year.